When you are done using your Xiem Precision Applicator, you need to empty it out. You can't leave this full and sitting around the studio because eventually it will dry out or people aren't going to know what's inside of it. So to clean this out, what you need to do first is take the whole connector off. So gently twist that out. Then over top of whatever you put in here, you are going to just squeeze it back in and get the most out as you can so that you can save that product. Once you're finished with that, you can shake this down too, really get it out. When you're done with that, you can take it to the bucket of clean water and you're going to soak it up. Put your finger over it, shake, and you're going to repeat until the water is clean. You might have to change your bucket water. When this is clean, then we're gonna pretend it's clean. I'm gonna fill this with water, shake that off, put the applicator tip back on, take the needle out, and you are going to, there was the slip and there's the water. You're gonna really press that slip or glaze or whatever you have in there out so that it's nice and clean from the inside out. Don't lose your needle. And then we can take it off, spot check it, make sure that all the parts are clean, inside and out. Gently untwist, gently untwist the tip, spot check both of those too, and then you can lay them back in the appropriate location there and in there. And then you're all set.